Hi everybody, Dave Sullivan here for the Credit Guy TV. There's been more and more talk of FICO 8 becoming accepted through the major banks and credit unions. Actually, Citi just came out endorsing the FICO 8 model, while Fannie and Freddie still do not accept it. They still only accept the 98 model, which tells you how old it is, because at one time FICO liked to number the models based on the year that they came out. And they did that with the 8 model. They originally called it the 08 model, but that tells you how far behind they are in releasing it, so they just went with 8. Some of the changes that FICO is going to make with this new FICO scoring model, authorized users really is the biggest news. They were initially not going to allow any authorized user accounts to be calculated in the FICO scoring model because of all of the gaming that went on with the 98 model. They then realized that a lot of spouses were going to be penalized with that, so they rolled that back to still allow the FICO scores to be calculated for the authorized users for spouses only. Some of the other changes to the FICO 8 model over the 98 model, one important one is any medical collections that you have that are less than $100 are no longer going to apply to the FICO score. So what they found was a lot of people had these insurance errors really that resulted in a lot of little medical collections and really didn't have any outcome or significance on the predictability of payment based on the FICO score. So those are no longer included. It's going to really focus on the available credit though. So more than ever, and I've been preaching this for a while now, you need to keep your balances low on your revolving credit accounts. They're really going to look at that, and if you're up high near the high limit, it's going to hurt you more than a collection. So watch the credit balance limits, and then the last thing, if you have one late date, 1 or 2 late dates on your file, and a little time goes by and nothing else happens, they're not going to ding you as bad as they did with the 98 model. So those are the changes. Again, Fannie and Freddie still not on the horizon accepting those, so we're still very premature in talking about it, but just so you know when it comes up what some of the changes will be, and I expect we're still about 3 years out of accepting the new FICO 8 model at Fannie and Freddie, but we'll see. All right, that's Dave Sullivan for the Credit Guy TV. Thanks.